You are fine.
Good, good.
Fine.
Okay, good to know. Okay. So welcome to your content writing workshop here. Today, we will be discussing everything about this course. Okay. And also at the same time, we will, I will tell you what all the details that are there in this course. Okay. So we will just go do a walkthrough around the whole course and how this course is going to help you as well to upskill your career. Okay. Now, please, I will request everyone to mute your mic. And also at the same time, if you have any questions, you can just write it down somewhere so that, during the question answers round, almost at the end, you can ask all your questions, all your queries, and I will try to answer them. Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is 𝐤𝐵𝐫𝐞, and I am one of the trainer here. I've been training for Henry Harvin for different types of courses related to content writing. So, when you talk about content writing, there are different types of writing. So we have technical writing, we have academic writing, we have copywriting, we have creative writing. So now this course, okay, this content writing course, right, it is basically a capsule course which encapsulates everything, okay, all different types of writing. Now, if we keep aside the writing also, we will be working on the practical part. So, we all know theory is there. Yes, theory is going to be there, but we need to work on the practicality of the subject because this is a hard skill. We need to develop this skill. Okay. So now let me tell you about the course. We will start the presentation. Okay. So I hope everybody is on mute. Yeah. Okay. So great. Okay. Now, when we talk about, content writing, content writing is something where it will give you different, several types of possibilities, opportunities rather. Okay. Now here, when we talk about content writing, this is going to help you. This is going to upskill your career in such a way that it is going to give it another newer dimension, a dimension that is always trending. So content writing is a type of skill, or it is a type of industry which is always evolving. When it was in 2005, 2006, nobody knew about the internet much. Okay, there was only one or two social media platforms, and they only were used by the audience just to share their own personal information. Now it is so much evolved, the digital platform is so much evolved that the every company wants to connect with their audience. Now the connection, who is going to create that connection, who is going to build that connection, that is going to be done by content writers. Okay, so now this is what is the magic, the what should I say, the power of content writers. Okay, so you are the one who are going to make or break the brand. Okay. Now, because of content writing, see, because you are going, doesn't matter, you're from IT industry, you're from fashion industry, you're from real estate industry, you're from, HR industry, doesn't matter. Content writing is a type of skill that you can be from any niche, you can write for any niche. Okay, so I am a totally hardcore marketing person, but I have been writing for technical, for softwares, for different types of systems. So I have been writing for that. So now that is what you, as a writer, you are going to have different, different arenas open for you. You will develop your creative thinking and problem solving abilities. That is one of the best thing, because you don't know, the world, the content writing industry is a huge industry, but it is a close knit industry. Okay, people know each other a lot. Now, and also because as a content writer, you are going to get opportunities working for a full time. Okay, now when we talk about full time means you're going to the company's location and working there. You can work remotely. Remotely means you can work full time for the organization, but from the comfort of your home. Then there's freelancing. Freelancing is where you are working for 4-5 different types of companies simultaneously. You're working on their projects. Okay, contract basis. That is your freelancing. Then there is passive income. Passive income, you're working full time somewhere, but writing is your passion. You want to work, and when you come back, you can work you can start writing for different organizations, for individuals on a then you are going to earn passive income. Okay, so these are the different opportunities that you are going to gain from content writing. Okay, now we have now because of content writing, you are going to gain, okay, you are going to gain lots of roles. So you can be an author, because we will be working on creative writing. Creative writing is where we will be working on stories, poems, dialogue writing. Okay, so you can be published author. You can be a blogger. Yes, creative writing, no, for many people they think content writing is only about blogging. Okay, but content writing is more than that. Okay, you just cannot write anything on the digital platform and wait for it to, you know, so that people can show on your blog. It will not happen that way. Okay, so this course will teach you. If you are good at writing, doesn't matter. If you're bad at writing, still doesn't matter. We are going to teach you how you can write, okay, and how you can create a content that people like, that people want to click on, they want to read on. Okay, so you can be a famous blogger, you can be a ghost writer. Ghost writers are the one you're writing for many organizations, many individuals, but your name doesn't get published with the content. Okay, there is no problem. There is, you know, many people think that ghost writer, they don't get paid well. They also get paid well, same something that you get for writing. Okay, then you can be a digital content writer, PR content writer. When we talk about this, you can work as a social media content writer. Okay, you can write articles for newspapers, for magazines. These all, they all have their websites, these media houses. Okay, so you can work there as well. You can be a digital influencer. Now, who cannot, you know, and who cannot grab the attention of their audience through writing? Everyone can do that. The words that you use, the powerful words, your diction, your syntax, the way that you are going to get through this course is going to make you an influencer. You can be a copywriter. Copywriters are who create ad copies, the advertisements that you watch on your social media platforms, YouTube, televisions, radios, podcast, all different types of advertisements that you watch here, who can listen to. These are written by copywriters. Content strategist, yes, you are the one who are going to decide, who are going to strategize the strategy for a brand or for a business, where what type of content should go on which type of platform, what should be the content, what type of words are you going to use, what should be the color palette of that particular image or that content, what blog are you going to put, what article are you going to put. So that is your content strategy. Okay, so this is also involved in your course. Medical writer, yes, we need to work, we need to tell people about different instruments, diseases. There are different types of things that are included in them, that are involved in the medical world. So you can become a medical writer. You need not be from a medical background. Okay, if you're from a medical background, good enough, not a problem. But if you are not, then also it is not a problem at all. It all depends on your writing and your research part. Okay, then social media manager, if you're good at writing, you're good at strategizing, then definitely you can start managing social media platforms for many brands, for different businesses also. Okay, and you as a content writer, you can work for any type of industry. So you have PR industries, you have IT, you have digital, content writing is a part of digital marketing. So digital marketing is there, then creative writers, e-commerce, almost whatever industry that you think, okay, you can work there, because every company, they needs content writers. Okay, now let us work on the course structure. This course, okay, here you are going to learn about digital content writing. So when I say digital content writer, so on this particular platform, any type of writing, okay, any type, you can see, you can read a content, you can watch a content, you can hear a content. Okay, so you as a writer, if you take up this course, you will not be called as a technical writer or a copywriter or a creative writer. You will be called as a digital content writer. That means you are available, or you have the skills to write for any type of industry, any type of niche. Okay, so we'll be working on your creative writing. Creative writing, I told you earlier also, it is about writing stories, poems, dialogues, how you're going to create your novels. Okay, technical writing, now technical writing is nothing related to you having technical knowledge. Okay, I am not at all associated with IT background, mechanical or civil engineering, nothing like that. Technical writing means a writing where you educate your audience, where you inform your audience. Okay, so that is what is technical writing. Then comes medical writing. Okay, so we have already discussed what is medical writing. Digital marketing, that means your social media platforms. You'll be writing content for social media platforms. You'll be writing content for websites, landing pages, okay, blogs, articles. Okay, these all comes under digital marketing. Then you will be working on copywriting. So copywriting also we have discussed. And then we are going to make you work on your own website. In the course, you're going to create your own website where you are going to learn how to design the website, what type of content are you going to put on the website, and how you're going to market the website. Okay, so here it is basically not only learning theory, it is about working on your own project. Okay, of course, later on you can go, once the course is done, you can work, you can start getting internships. Henry Harvin also provides you internships. Okay, during the internships you have specific mentors who are going to mentor you on the type of writing that you are going to write for Henry Harvin, and these are going to be published, okay, on different platforms. Okay, now here what we are going to learn now, this is the things that are going to be there in the course. So we will be working on your language skills. Okay, now language skills, I'm not saying that you are not good in English. We all are good in English. We can speak, we can converse in English, but when it comes to writing, okay, there's a lot of things that we need to understand and we need to work on. There are different types of sentence structures, there are different types of grammar checks and tools, then extensions are there. That is what is, all these things are included. Okay, now there's grammar check, punctuations. Okay, how you're going to place your punctuations, about your comma, full stops, exclamation marks, question marks. So I'm not saying that you don't know how to use them, but how you're going to use them in your content, that is what we are going to discuss here. Okay, your sentence structures. Then we will be working on some of the basic concepts of the grammar. Okay, how you're going to rectify your grammatical mistakes, your spelling errors. So all these things we will be working on. Then there are different types of words with double meanings. So we are going to work on, if you're using those two words together in one sentence, so how are you going to make that sentence understandable to your audience so that it doesn't cause any confusion. Okay, so these are the things that are there. Then this is one example. We will be working on the difference between British and US English. Okay, the type of audience that you are going to write, it depends a lot on that. Okay, if you're writing for a audience which works on or which converses in British English, then you are going to use words like this. Okay, with a sa phonic sound. So civilize, organize, standardize, mobilize. Okay, so sa is the sound. Now if you're writing for the US English audience, then you are going to use za. Za is the word here. So even though you're not pronouncing, you're writing it, but people are reading your content. Okay, the way that they are reading it, the way that they are using their understanding for reading that particular sentence makes a lot of difference to them. Okay, so you're going to use za sound here. So civilize, organize, standardize, mobilize. Okay, so this is how, these are the few things. This is one example, okay, one of the many examples that are there in the course. This is how we will be working on the difference between the British and US English. Okay, now this is one more example where you are going to use OUR in British and US use only OR. Now, basically, I think many of you must have noticed now Britishers, people who speak British English, they don't open their mouth much. Yeah, US English, they open their mouth, they use ka type of sound. Yeah, but in British, they are, they speak every word very carefully. So now if it is labor, in US, it is going to be labor, rumor, rumor, neighbor, neighbor, color, color, flavor, flavor. Okay, because OUR is there, so you are going to use it R. Okay. Now we will be also working on your headlines, how you're going to create your headlines. Headlines are very important, okay, because looking at, reading at the headlines, if they are interesting enough, okay, for your audience, then only they will come to your, to read your content. Okay, so writing a catchy headline, how you're going to work on the voice. For formal content, what voice are you going to use? For informal content, what voice? For B2B, business to business content or communication, what type of voice are you going to use? For B2C, business to consumer, what voice, what tones are you going to use? There are different writing styles that we are going to discuss here. Okay, so you are going to use the writing styles, and accordingly you are going to create your voice and tones. So all these things we will be working on. Okay, right now it might feel a bit overwhelming, but it is nothing like that. These are very, very interesting things to learn about, and also with using whatever we will be discussing in the courses. So it is going to help you a lot in creating a content, a unique content, a content which is not being published on the digital media. Okay, then you have, there are things we will be working on, the searchability. That means how you are going to make sure that your content gets published on the digital world. Okay, that means where it is going to get ranked, on which page, first page, second page. So how you're going to make sure that your content gets ranked on the first page. Okay, so that is called a search engine optimization. We will be working on that as well. Yeah, so we will be talking about how you're going to work on your Google search engines. We'll be working on search engine optimization. We will be working on keywords. Okay, keywords are very important. As a writer, you need to work on your keywords, how you're going to research for the keywords, how are you going to place your keywords, how you're going to structure your content. Okay, all these things we will be working here. Okay, then we will be working on creative writing. That means you're going to include a lot of entertainment in your content. Yeah, so here we are going to learn about story writing. If you want to include an example, and in that example you want to create a situation there. Okay, so you can create a situation of 50 to 100 words. So it is going to entertain your audience. So we'll be working on blog writing, article writing, technical writing, academic writing. Academic writing is where we'll be working on writing textbooks, questionnaires, supplementary books, tutorials. Okay, so we will be working on that. Then medical writing, copywriting, SEO writing. SEO writing is you are going to create a content which ranks. Okay, which ranks and make sure that the business's websites, they come on the first page of Google search engine. Okay, then branding content, that is where I told you about strategizing, content strategy. Okay, so you will be writing, you will be learning about all these things and much more. This is just the theoretical part. You will be creating your own blogs. You will be learning how to design images, how you're going to design your logo. You don't have to pay anyone for designing. Okay, as a writer, people think, okay, you don't know anything about designing, but that notion is now changed. Okay, those notions are now gone. So as a writer, you have to learn about designing your own content. So we will be working on that as well. Okay, Now in content marketing, we will be working on how you're going to work in developing your own niche. Okay, so if you want to be a writer of a particular niche, maybe from the same background you're from, so we will work on that. We will choose a content strategy. So how you're going to choose a content strategy, we will be discussing about that. Then we'll be working on strategical content. Okay, we'll be working on tactical content. We will be working on what type of marketing channel you are going to use. So for formal content, where should you publish your formal content? Your informal content, on which platform it should get published? All these things we will be working on. Okay, then we'll be working on demand generation and demand fulfillment also. So you, through your content, you are going to generate the demand. Okay, and through your content only, you're going to make sure that your audience gets satisfied after reading, watching, or listening to your content. Okay, we will also be working now, as a writer, you need to create your own personal brand. That is very important. If people know about you, they will get attracted to you. That is what is, what is this digital world is all about. So that is why we will also help you to create your personal brand, especially on LinkedIn. Okay, because LinkedIn is a professional network. You will learn a lot from from your professional network there. You might get opportunities also. And then we will also be working on how you can earn from your writing skills. So freelancing websites are there. That is what we'll be discussing on. If you want to work full time, then we'll be working on interview skills and interview questions, some common questions that are usually asked by the companies. Okay, now let us understand about our how we are going to work on the power writing. Okay, so that power writing means your content is the one that is going to bring in the change, that is going to connect the audience to the brands instantaneously. Okay, so now that is what is power writing. So here we are going to learn about how can we remove redundant phrases. Redundant means these are called as the phrases which are not required, something like dead weight. Okay, so how you are going to remove them. Okay, we will also learn about writing in active voice. When you are writing content, you need to make sure that you're using more of the active voice. Now active voice means I picked up this phone. This is active voice. Okay, passive voice means this phone is being picked up by me. Okay, so I think most of you know about active and passive voice, but we will also be discussing about it, how you're going to use active voice, how you're going to structure your paragraphs, how you're going to work on your subheadings. All these things we will be working on. Okay, now there are different capstones projects also that are going to be there. So now you will be working on content writing, so you can get different types of topics. Okay, and you can start writing. You will be assigned different types of topics by the instructor, by your mentors, your guides, and they are going to give you lots of assignments. And these assignments are, sometimes they are daily, and sometimes they are weekly also. Mostly they are weekly, because there is always a overlap of the assignments that are given during the classes also. Those are in class assignments, and there are also your assignments that are there in your portals, the portals where you will be getting username and a password. Okay, so all the details that you are going to learn in the course, everything will be there in the portal. Okay, you can talk to your instructor anytime. You can connect with your, you will work on your assignments. You will submit those assignments. Okay, then you have SEO writing. SEO writing is where you are going to make sure that the website's content get ranked on the first page of the search engines. Okay, then creative writing, you will start writing for writers, for artists, for scholars, editors. Okay, you will start writing for them. You might write a story, you can write a skit, you can write a poem, whatever you want. Okay, you can just write a script with the dialogues there, whatever you want. Okay, Now, basically, Henry Harvin, this company started in 2013. It's a young company, but it has gone, to what should I say, to places. It is such a company which has made a career for many people across the world. Okay, and we basically have 30,000 plus learners are there. There are more than 250,000 learners that that we have developed. We have helped them to get trained in a particular skill. Right now, the Henry Harvin platform is providing around 80 plus courses. Okay, so we are not just working on content writing or digital marketing. There are different courses related to different niche. Okay, so there are almost 80 plus courses. Then Henry Harvin is associated with many corporates. Okay, so they are training many corporates. They are associated with at least 150 plus corporates. Okay, they are associated with colleges also. So Henry Harvin teams, trainers, lecturers, they go to colleges, they train the college students as well in whatever skill they want. Okay, so hard skill, it can be a soft skill also, so whatever they want. And here, if you're taking up the course here, you are going to get 100% job assistance here. Okay, through Henry Harvin, whatever type of job you want. You might want freelancing, remote working, full time, whatever you want, you will get that assistance from here. Okay, now basically this is what the the program features. Okay, this program actually is one of the best program that is there. The best, why? That is not something that I am from Henry Harvin and I am trying to tell you everything good about it. Basically, I have done a lot of research on such type of courses, not just for content writing, for digital marketing, for soft skills training also. And I have learned one thing is most of the platforms, they give recorded sessions. Okay, so now you have to buy that package for say whatever amount it is. Okay, buy that package and you will learn it on your pace, which is not possible, and also it does not give you that adrenaline rush. So that is why Henry Harvin, they have started working, or rather their all the courses are live courses. Okay, so right now, whatever live, the demo that we are going, the workshop that we are doing, it is going, the classes are going to be something on similar lines. Okay, you will be assigned in some batches according to your convenient time and day. Okay, and then the whatever classes that you take, they are all going to be live. Okay, if by chance you miss any class, then those class will get recorded. It will be uploaded in your LMS, so you can watch the recordings also. You are associated, you are rather the instructor is always 24/7. They're available for whenever you want the instructor's assistance. The relationship managers also from Henry Harvin, they are also available 24/7. Okay, now this course, they have at least this particular course, they have different types of skills and techniques that we have discussed till now. Okay, it provides you 10 plus projects, and if you are doing these projects, I am guaranteeing you nobody is going to stop you in this industry right now. Okay, so these all the projects are taken from the industry, and then based on the practical nature of these projects, if you are doing it, you are gaining at least up to around 50% of the industry experience through these projects. Okay, then there are going to be different types of internships that are there. That is what I told you about the internships. I told you about the certification also. Now Henry Harvin itself is a brand name. Okay, the certificate that you are going to get from Henry Harvin, it is globally recognized. You can use it to get international jobs as well. Okay, and whatever the information materials that are going to be shared, everything is going to be available with you in the portal. That is the best thing. Okay, there's going to be boot camp sessions also, where you're going to learn some special skills, special soft skills also, some skills like resume writing. All these things you might get in the boot camp sessions. So these are again are a add-on for this particular course. Okay. Now whenever you finish the, you take up this course and now you're about to end, so these are the few takeaways. You are going to learn about everything about content writing, everything. I told you about that this course takes up every type of writing that you can find in the industry right now. Okay, so you can apply different types of techniques, ethics. Okay, the trainers are going to teach you different types of ethics that you need to practice. Okay, that is one advice that I can give you right now. Whatever the ethics the trainers give you, okay, they tell you, they explain you, so please follow those ethics, practice those ethics in your content writing journey. Okay, they are going to make a lot of goodwill for you in the market. Then you are going to get, we will also train you in how you are going to converse with the client and also the companies that you are going to work for. Then we will be telling you about, if you have different types of projects, you might have different 4 or 5 projects with you, so it might be quite overwhelming for you. So how are you going to manage them? All these platforms and tools we will be discussing. Then we'll be telling you about how you're going to publish your own content. Suppose you want to write, you want to work for yourself. Okay, you want to be a blogger, you want to be a famous food blogger, travel blogger, or a writer maybe. So how you're going to publish your own content, and also as well publishing the content strategy for the brands and businesses as well. Okay, now the program actually have all these aspects. There are going to be different types of videos are there. We will be providing you self-paced videos, also with the live classes. So live classes are going to be there, the recorded sessions are going to be there, then self-paced videos are also going to be there. There are going to be assignments and projects. Okay, there's going to be you will get a LMS, that is a portal that I was telling you about. So LMS is basically your learning management system. Okay, then you have your gold, you will get a gold membership, which is which is going to be, I think, almost till the duration is there and more. I think you just get the clarification done from the from your relationship manager. And then you have access to your mentors, your instructors, so multiple trainers rather. Okay, so suppose you might not like some trainer, you want to connect with another trainer or another mentor or a guide, then you can connect with them anytime. Okay, that is one of the best part here. Okay, clear for everyone now? Yeah. Okay, so these are the platforms where Henry Harvin is available. Okay, so you can connect on the platforms also on social media, and I would advise you just go and search for the platforms. Okay, search for the channels where Henry Harvin is available, and connect there, and you see what type of content. Okay, this is for your own learning, your own interest. See what type of content Henry Harvin has been sharing till now. Okay, what is the engagement rate? Everything, just check it out and see how much difference it makes in your own understanding. Okay, this is one task that I want to give you, though I'm not your trainer, we are just doing a workshop, but please do try it out. Okay, it is quite interesting, and I always tell this to everyone to to go. Henry Harvin is one. You can go to another bigger brands also. You can go to Tata company, you can go to Reliance, how they are sharing, what type of content they have been sharing. So start with Henry Harvin first. Okay, then check out on Facebook what type of content are they sharing, then on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, what type of videos are they putting on YouTube. Okay, this is for your own self-learning. Yeah, so now these are the numbers. Okay, this is you can call them, you can WhatsApp them, and you can email them. This is the email ID, and the new batch is going to start on 4th November. Okay, and it will start, though the batches, they start every week. You have weekend batches, you have weekday batches. Okay, so, and you have morning batches, you have evening batches. So whatever time you're comfortable with, you can go ahead for that. Okay, so you will get all the details about the batches on these numbers. Okay, you can call them right now, or you can connect on this particular link, the link that I'm sharing right now with you, and you can enroll there as well. You can drop in your contact details, and someone from Henry Harvin will definitely call you. Okay, so we are open now for your questions, your queries. So please shoot. Yes. Any questions? No questions? Okay, I think I have some. Okay, thank you so much. Discount. I'm so sorry, Priya. I am not the correct person to give you any discount. Okay, you just connect with the relationship manager. You can ask them all these details, and they are the one who will help you. Okay. Okay, Rahul has asked a question. How can I utilize this course for journalism? Rahul, I told you we will be discussing on article writing, where you will write content for media houses. So these media houses are your, newspapers, your magazines. So you are definitely going to learn about article writing here. Okay. Is this degree course or certificate course? It is actually a degree course. Okay, it is a PG course. And what about website content? Yes, when we are talking about business and marketing writing, your website content, your landing page content, okay, your blogs, your articles, your social media platforms, product description, book reviews, all these types of writing are included here. Okay, Priya. Okay, like if you develop website like home, yes, everything is included. Home page, about us page, contact page, then gallery page, then you have services page. All these things are included. Don't worry. Okay. Duration of this course. Duration of this course is, I think, I think it will be something around 9 months to 1 year. You just connect with your relationship manager. They will tell you the course, the duration. Yes. So any other questions? Don't tell me there are no questions. Yes, please, these are the numbers. Do connect with this. Just take a snapshot or screenshot from your phone, and you can connect with them. Yes, short-term course is also available. You can, that is what I told you. Just connect on these numbers. They will tell you everything, okay, about the duration of the course, about the batches dates, the start dates and the end dates of the batches, the duration of the hours, everything they will tell you. I am the one who is involved in the training part, involved in the course. Okay. 1 second. Placement support and package starting from, yes, see, placement support, that is what I told you. There's going to be 100% assistance. Now usually the package for the freshers, okay, freshers means who are starting their, they have just finished their masters, or they have just finished their graduation, and now they have taken up this course, and now they are going to start. So for them it is usually around 35K to 40K per month. Okay, and for the first 6 months, then your salary will increase. And for people who have some experience, and you are going to start maybe from that particular niche only, then it will be more than that, around 50K, 60K, something like that. Okay, for freelancers also, okay, for them also it is going to be almost the same package. So it is going to be, if you are working for 4 to 5 clients, from one client you can easily get 15,000 per client. Okay, and sitting from your home, you're not investing on anything, you're not doing, you're not you're not, what should I say, you're not putting your money anywhere. You are just writing content with the internet and with your system in front of you, and that is what it is all about. So freelancing is another thing, that most of the writers are freelancers. Okay, and they're working for different organizations, different individuals across the industry. Okay. Yes, Sure, Priya. Do contact them, okay? Yes, I think one more question. Do we start with jobs first? I will advise you to go with the jobs first, okay? They will give you a lot of experience, because see, freelancing, to be very honest, I'm putting this very bluntly in front of you, there are many frauds out there, okay? These are the people who can easily cheat you, so you need to gain on some experience, then only you start with freelancing. Okay, I'm from IT background. What salary I can expect while working weekend only? Weekend in the sense you're only going to write during the weekend? Rahul, can please clarify this question? Okay, so you're going to work during your weekend, so that means you want to earn passively, right? So for passive incomes, you can, you can earn around 10,000, 15,000 something. Not at least till 20 you can earn, okay, on a monthly basis. Okay, and one more thing, people who want to work freelancing and passively, please work on the deadline. Okay, whatever deadline your clients give you, you need to work, or you need to provide the work before the deadlines. Okay, how many years of experience? I'm from medical background, looking at this niche only. How much can I expect to make? Okay, from the medical background, medical writers, legal writers, they are very much in demand. Okay, so whatever salary, to be very honest, whatever salary that you ask, they are going to give you. Okay, because they usually they don't hire people who are not from the medical or the legal background, but if your network is good, like I am writing for many medical companies. Okay, I'm writing for many hospitals and these pharmaceutical companies. So if you are one among them, if you're from a medical background, then you're definitely going to earn 70s and 80s K per month. Okay, but yes, you need to have some experience in this field. Yes, any other question? Okay, one more. Okay, thank you, Pooja. Yes, any other question? Okay, one more. Okay, thank you, Priya. Okay, I got. Thank you, Priya. Thank you so much. I hope my explanation, this particular workshop has helped everyone. See, please do, whenever it doesn't matter who trains you in content writing. There are two things that I will tell you. Content writing, whenever you are working on a particular topic, you get a topic from from a client or from a company or from an individual, please start the research first. Okay, you will learn about the researching during the course. Research is one of the most important part. Okay, without a good research, you will not be able to provide a good content. Okay, so the deeper the research is, the better the content is. Okay, it shows how good is your research, it will show on your content. Okay, research also helps you in creating a unique content. Okay, unique content is very much important. Now suppose, for example, if you're writing a content on, say, leadership. Okay, and now leadership, when you search this particular topic there, you will get thousands of content. Now how can I make my content unique? So for that, you are going to work on the research part. So research is very important. Okay, has tie-ups with corporates for placements or just help in terms of assistance? They have tie-ups also. So if your content is good during your internships and everything, if if everything is good for you, they will definitely help you in getting placed there. Okay, 1 minute. What is your background? Okay, so I am actually I am into digital marketing, content writing, and corporate training, and I've been in this industry for more than 15 years now. And I'm associated with many startups as their content strategist, many institutes as their training partner, and I am mentoring many women entrepreneurs under the scheme of government, Indian government. And I am writing books for many authors. I will not be able to name because because I'm bound under an agreement. Till now, I've written 4 books, and one of my book is going to launch soon in the next year, and that is going to be one of the chapters that I'm writing for the book, and that is going to be under my name only. So yes, so this is what my background is. I'm an MBA in strategy and marketing. So I'm a hardcore marketing person, and yeah, that's it. That is what is about me. And I am managing quite a few content for many organizations. So I'm writing content for websites and all. If you are placed in my trainings, then I will definitely share my my content, my websites that I have created and also have written the content for. Same with the other trainers also. They will share from their own experience. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. Okay, so anything else? Yes? Okay, one more. Okay. So if all is good, should we close the workshop now? I hope everything is sorted out. All your queries are answered, yeah, to your satisfaction. Yes? Okay, a thumbs up will do so that I can close the session. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Priya. Okay, then. 1 second. Yeah, so should I close? Yeah, all the queries are done. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone, and all the best for your for your career. And I hope this session has helped you, every one of you, in taking a good what should I say, a decision for your career. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye and take care.